Hi, it's Carrie.
And Sydney.
And we're making your cocktail of the week.
Yeah.
This week I'm doing the ginger creamsicle. I love this cocktail. It's so good. So I'm doing this in a blender. I have some ice in there, about 6 or 7 pieces. I'm just doing one cocktail today. We're gonna use a Laughing Glass Original Margarita. I'm gonna put 2 ounces of Laughing Glass right into the blender. 1 ounce of our favorite Green Bar ginger liqueur.
So amazing.
Love this stuff. And I've got 1 ounce of fresh orange juice that I didn't even have to squeeze myself. Thank goodness for Whole Foods. And then I have an unsweetened coconut cream. You don't need much of this. I'm just gonna do a little bit less than 1 ounce, maybe 1 ounce. It's unsweetened, so it's not gonna add too much sweetness. A little bit of coconut flavor.
Nice.
And we're gonna zhuzh that up. Perfect. And there it is, our ginger creamsicle.
I am so excited to taste
It's
this one.
so yummy.
Yoo-hoo.
All right, give that a shot.
All right, cheers everybody. Oh, that is delicious.
Isn't that
You
good?
absolutely have to make this one. If you've never made any of the other ones, but you just enjoy watching us, make this one. It's really good.
I'm
Thank you.
glad you like it. Enjoy.